Twelfth Night by William Shakespeare. Me know the word them in a Shakespeare play at this one bag of speaky spooky. More while you have to read one sentence 3, 4, 7 times forget what it say. But the 12th Night book is full of one piece of mix up and joke, you know. You hear how me they call a book? When you write your SFC sec, no say book. Make sure you write play. Make sure you say you don't make a mistake and write book. Yeah? Remember that. So the play take place in a one place named Illyria. Now, Viola and her brother Sebastian end up on one ship. The ship end up develop problem and broke down upon the sea. That in a English name, shipwreck. So now, they end up at one place named Illyria. But, when the people then help Viola and she up on the seaside of Illyria, she didn't see her brother. And she asked the people themselves then see one man and so. And then say she want then not see nobody else. And so she did feel saying dead. And the people them where she that talk to too, they feel say her brother Sebastian dead. So she said, what me I go do now? And she used to read, she did know a little about Illyria before. So she know about the Duke Orsino. So she say, you know what? How me they go survive? Me I go dress up and pretend like I said me a man and me they go work for the Duke. The Duke named Orsino. Orsino him now love of one woman named Olivia. But Olivia, for her brother when just dead one day and she dem mourn her brother. But she ain't too into the Duke neither. Him used to always send somebody go care message go give her and so. You know, cause in they look smarty. But Olivia ain't pay him no mind. The last message she send back say she no man thing right you know because her brother dead and she dem mourn her brother. So Viola name now when she dress up as Cesario. So from now on, when me say Cesario, you know say a Viola disguised as Cesario. So Cesario now end up the work for the Duke and the Duke say alright, him they go send in cause Cesario now I like the Duke right hand man. So instead me they go send me right hand man, you know, for go lyrics off Olivia cause me not tap as me want her. Anyway, so Cesario now start to go and Olivia tell him say, me no man thing, you know, but if you a come, me will listen to what you have to say. That time they love Olivia love half Cesario, you know, and she no know say Cesario no real. Anyway, Punkas turn to Punkas now. Cesario brother, that Olivia, you know, her brother was named Sebastian, he ain't dead. One man named Antonio, I did one sea captain, and him did help Sebastian after the shipwreck. Give Sebastian money and everything and treat Sebastian really good. So Sebastian him them morning sister then no kind thing say Viola dead. So he said, sure, my sister then this go travel ya man and me want go Illyria. But you see the man they were named Antonio where they help Sebastian. Him fight against Duke Orsino, you know, and then say him a fugitive. So him wanted a Illyria. But me no know make him love Sebastian, so he still follow Sebastian go. Even though he want him say that place they are no simple place, you know, a dangerous place. He still follow him go to Illyria. So now, when Sebastian come up now, Sebastian come on the scene. People think say Sebastian a Cesario. Can't remember say Cesario a Viola and Sebastian a twin. So when Viola dress up like a man now and name Cesario, she dey go favor her twin brother, Sebastian. Hey! So now you dey have one man named Sir Toby Belch. Sir Toby Belch a Olivia uncle. But in love drink, Olivia junkin kill his uncle in drink and in get beer trouble. So now he have one man there where his friend we name Agwecheek. But Sir Toby this I use Sir Agwecheek fi drink out him money. And Agwecheek no notice. Sir Andrew Agwecheek. Sir Agwecheek now him love of Olivia. And then none catch bad mind when he say Cesario. They spend only part time with Olivia. And he come like say Olivia like Cesario. Hey, he no do nothing more say him the challenge Cesario to a fight. And poor Viola then hung dress up like a Cesario can't fight. But I never really saw Andrew Agwecheek himself want fight Cesario, you know, cause Agwecheek a coward too. But the man when named Sir Toby, Olivia uncle, we love carelessness. They push him, they tell him, say, go fight for your woman. Fight him. And then, Olivia, we like you. So, the idiot Sir Andrew agui cheek, go say, alright, me go fight Cesario, you know. Yeah. And that's so the punkas come, pampankas. When Antonio follow Sebastian come a Hilaria, it look like I said them break off and Sebastian gone so and Antonio gone another way. So Antonio now come on and see Cesario and the man out fi fight. Now when Antonio come, Antonio see Cesario and think of Sebastian. So Antonio no do nothing more and jump into action same time cause him a protect Sebastian in a him head. So he jump in and broke up the fight. The jump when go jump in and broke up the fight. Remember saying it wanted already at Hilaria, you know. So they see what they see him now come put in nose in a Hilaria people business. They end up say, oh, are you I wanted? And they arrest him. They arrest him now in the ball out to Sebastian. But a Cesario, you know. In the ball out now and I tell him, say, give me the money where you have there, the bag of money where me give you, for help me. You know, can't help me and now because me need it. Poor Antonio no know say I know Sebastian. And Cesario no know where the chat about. So you see mix up. Cesario wonder which money bag him a chat about and where him talk about. So Antonio feel a way now, you know. Antonio say, look how much me do for that little wicked crosses boy. And they arrest me now. The one little time if he help me, I tell him, say, give me the money. And him they look for me and tell me about, you know, he nah help me, can't help me. So meanwhile, all of this they go on. You dey have one man named Malvolio. Now Malvolio the supervisor for all of the people them will work over which part Olivia live. So the whole of the domestic staff and so. And Malvolio are the supervisor. But Malvolio ain't stuck up, so they never too like him. And you remember Sir Toby Belch, that a Olivia junkie uncle? Malvolio ever they tell him saying to behave better, and so on. And Maria a Olivia maid. None of them never like Malvolio, then supervisor. Cause then saying too stuck up, and then believe saying go on like saying better than people, and he know everything and all of that. So then say, you know what? We're going to run a prank on you. Watch we and you. So, they end up write one letter. And Maria, the maid, write the letter. The letter now make it look like I say, Olivia love half Malvolio. And it a tell Malvolio say, if you do some foolishness, because she like it. She like them foolishness there. And it will show in love. Here what they saying if you do. One, say, if you wear some yellow stocking. And the yellow stocking, they really... We're going to talk about symbolism next time. But first of all, Olivia no like yellow. And the yellow stocking, they are in good sitting if you wear, especially in a time when Olivia them mourn our dead brother. And in a letter then say, if you always they smile, and they killing teeth like a idiot. And that again was sitting bad because Olivia them mourn our brother. And the next thing then if you doing at the letter, say if you face it to the guest them and to the servant them. Massa, hey, Malvolio see the letter and believe the letter, believe everything and start to do everything what the letter say. When Olivia see him, Olivia then thinks say Malvolio they get off. So then I do not want to take Malvolio lock him up in a room say I'm a madman. Poor Malvolio. And then Feste now, where everybody they call Feste, fool say Feste a fool. Feste, they mock him. Feste dress up like a one priest and gone. They say name Sir Topaz. And they mock Malvolio and torment Malvolio. So till Malvolio himself start to wonder if he mad for true. And so then they go on and galang there. Sebastian they walk around, people think him a Cesario. And Cesario they walk around, people think say a Sebastian. And then you know so them one another alive. Until Bob, Olivia no go tell, confess say she love Cesario. But I say a Sebastian she tell. Sebastian him know say his sister Viola alive and she them mistake him for. So, he's so glad now say somebody like him off. Him say, yeah, and that woman here, one nice woman, in a one big respectable woman in the area, yeah. Me like her too. So he say, yeah, him like her back. So remember, you know, Cesario will always reject Olivia cause 2 reasons. Cesario and Viola disguise as man. And Viola, she did love half the Duke where she did a work for. Anyway, so Olivia now say she loves Sebastian and she proposed for marry him. And Sebastian say yes. And then go married half secret, in a secret. Then one day now, Cesario that a Olivia now dressed like man, you know, come out. She and her brother no buck up yet, you know. So she come out and they run Olivia. Olivia they call her me husband. Remember Cesario, Olivia they call me husband. So Viola say husband. Then when me and this one are married. Then boop, Sebastian walk in. And I saw Sebastian and Viola know say them one another alive. And Viola drop the disguise and tell them everything will happen. So it turned out say Olivia like Sebastian for true and Sebastian like Olivia for true. So them married to the right somebody. So then this continue and married again. And the Duke, Orsino, end up like back Viola and them married too. So the play done with everybody happy, except Malvolio, for they end up let him out of the room where they lock him up. And in the course say, you know, I go and get back revenge upon the whole of uno. So the play are no more at all. The language might have flunating, yes, but after you get to it, I want good play money nice. So read it, understand it, and go write in your best English and mash up your C-sec. Big up yourself. Make sure you follow that page here so that you can see when we drop a new video them. Because we go talk about the figure of speech them where you in the play, the team them in the play, and everything where you need to know. Forget you one in a C-sec. Big up yourself. Boom! We out of here.